Again. Yay! Again. Can you do it again for me? Again? Can you do it again? Yeah? Can you do it again? You're so funny. Do it again. Can you do it one more time? That's how we do it. Yay! Yeah. Again. Can you do it one more time? Are you all done, or can you do it again? Yay! Again. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? You can. Let me see. Yay! Wow! Whoa, you're going to get dizzy. You're doing it so much. There you go. Whoa. Ta-da! Wow, that was perfect. That was a perfect one. That was so good. Can you do it again? Let's see. Can you do it? Oh, you want to do it over there? Okay. You going to go on stage and do it? Oh, where are you going? You going to go find Faith? Come over here and do a flip. Can you go do a somersault? Can you roll over? You think you can go do it? Roll over? Can you roll over for me? Let me see. Can he do it? Is he going to roll over? Yay! Perfect! Again. Can you roll over again? You're so funny. I'm going to watch you roll over. Can I watch you roll over? Oh, he got me. You're so funny. Yeah. I could get his feet. I could get that leg. Silly boy. You're so funny. Ready, go. Yeah. Whoa, say I'm dizzy. Oh, I love to get hugs from you. Can I have another hug? Again? Whoa. You getting tired? You've been doing this for 3 minutes straight. Oh, you did it. Good job. Yay! Everybody clap for Benjamin. Everybody clap for Benjamin. Yay! Good work.